This striking fellow is a Garibaldi fish. He's hoping to become a father to nearly 1 million babies. But to stand any chance, he must first find a safe place to protect his eggs. Almost impossible here in the turbulent surge zone. Without protection, any eggs will be washed away, and with them, his chances of fatherhood. Anchored to the calmer side of the rocks, this patch of red algae looks promising. Sheltered from the current, its feathery strands are strong, the perfect place to attach eggs. His patch will never get bigger unless he can keep the hungry pests at bay. And they love red algae. And keep coming and coming. After a very busy month, his patch of red algae has tripled in size. And for Garibaldi females, bigger is always better. Over the next few days, he mates with as many as he can, each female adding an astonishing 15,000 eggs to his nest, until he's tending to an eye-wateringly large family. More than 50% of fish dads take on sole responsibility for childcare. For this super dad, it's a numbers game. No matter how many babies, the goal of every parent is to keep their family safe.